everyone. This is the part 2 for current affairs for 67th BPSC last lap. Now directly coming to the question. First part is India and world related. Now we are focusing on Navy ships. Navy ships. First is Indian aircraft Navy carrier, which will be the India's first indigenous. Indigenous means made in India, and its induction will be when? So India is going to induct INS Vikrant, which is made in India by 2022. So both are important. Always in news INS Vikrant, because its trial run has been going on for its induction, and it will be inducted into Indian Navy by 2022 as per Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, and it is being made in Cochin Shipyard Limited. Cochin Shipyard Limited is making INS Vikrant, Indian Navy ship Vikrant, INS Vikrant, India's first indigenous aircraft Navy carrier. That means these ships can use for aircraft. Aircraft can land or can take off. This is the area where aircraft can land and take off. Very important in the situation of war. India's first indigenous INS Vikrant. Right now, India has one aircraft Navy carrier, INS Vikramaditya, Russian made, and INS Vikrant will be India made. Okay. Other question is nuclear powered ballistic missile submarine. So nuclear powered ballistic missile submarine. First thing is missile submarine. This is the image of submarine which is immersed in sea, and here it is torpedo. Torpedo is fired on attacking other ships. Okay. So India has only one nuclear powered ballistic missile submarine. That's name is INS Arihant. Arihant, destroyer of enemy. INS Arihant is the name of India's nuclear powered ballistic missile submarine. Okay, INS Arihant. So these two names are important. INS Vikrant, aircraft Navy carrier, and this is submarine INS Arihant, made in India. And DRDO recently tested lightweight torpedo system, anti-submarine torpedo system. This is torpedo. Torpedo is fired to destroy other country navy, and that system name was SMART. In short form, SMART full form is Supersonic Missile Assisted Torpedo System. Just remember this name. This is the torpedo system name SMART, and nuclear powered ballistic missile submarine is INS Arihant, which is made in India. That means indigenous. Other only one ship, amphibious transport dock name. Transportation of navy, army, and transportation in the case of war. If war is happening from one place to other place, you have to transport your content and all the navy army man. So India has INS Jalaswa, American made, Indian INS Jalaswa. These are single in number. INS Vikrant, Russian made for aircraft carrier. INS Arihant is a submarine. Okay. INS Jalaswa for transportation purpose. So these names are important. Jalaswa, Vikrant, Arihant, and Vikramaditya. Arihant will be included in Indian Navy by 2022. By it is being made by Cochin Shipyard Limited Company. Cochin is also known as Queen of Arabian Sea. Cochin is situated in Kerala, Arabian Sea. Cochin is also known as Queen of Arabian Sea. Other question, and one important question is who is the currently Indian Navy chief? So Admiral R. Hari Kumar. R. Hari Kumar is the Indian Navy chief right now. Okay. Then some question related to financial market. Money market supervised by. Flow of money in Indian economy is supervised by Reserve Bank of India. RBI governor right now is Shaktikant Das. Okay. Then capital market, share market. Share market is supervised by SEBI. SEBI chairman is important because a woman has been made SEBI chairman. Very famous in news in recent time, Madhavi Puri Buch. So Madhavi Puri Buch has become the chairman of SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India, which regulate capital market. This is the image of Madhavi Puri Buch, SEBI chairman. Then insurance market is regulated by IRDA, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. Its chairperson Dr. Sri Devasis Panda from Odisha has become the IRDA chairman. Insurance market supervision. Insurance market is supervised by IRDA. Then capital market is supervised by SEBI. SEBI chairman is a female, so very important, Madhavi Puri Buch, MP Buch. These are important. RBI, SEBI, IRDAI, these chairmen are very important. Especially the women chairman. Always focus on women chairman, women head. Then India has offered $100 million line of credit to which country for solar energy development. Line of credit means you can take a maximum of $100 million for solar energy development given to Sri Lanka. India is a very leading country in solar energy. PM Modi ji has very much focus on solar energy. That's why they have created International Solar Alliance, its headquarters is in Gurugram, and chairman is Ajay Mathur. This name is also important, Ajay Mathur. Already discussed many times. Ajay Mathur. Then India's largest floating solar power plant, already discussed in previous video in Tuticorin by Speak Company. Then India's largest solar energy producing state is Karnataka. Karnataka, Vasava Rajbomai is the chief minister right now. Also, there is a hijab controversy going on in Karnataka. India's first solar energy power textile mill, obviously Maharashtra. Maharashtra is very famous for its textile mill, and Maharashtra, in Maharashtra there is first solar energy power textile mill. Textile mill will run on solar energy. Then Bihar and solar energy relation. Bihar's first floating solar power plant will be built in Darbhanga district. Darbhanga. Darbhanga. Already discussed in previous video. Very important because it is related to Bihar. Bihar's first floating solar power plant will be built in Darbhanga. Darbhanga district. Next. Next. Sorry. Then how many Indian medical colleges in world's top 100? So six medical college has been selected in world's top 100 medical colleges. These are the name: AIIMS Delhi, FMC Pune, Vellore, Pondicherry. We will focus on Delhi. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. Okay, and also there is very much discussion on Delhi. What is going the Deshbhakti program, Business Blasters program, Pune, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Then Vellore, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry. Puducherry governor. Governor is important. Puducherry governor is Kiran Bedi, always in news. Kiran Bedi, India's first IPS officer, women IPS officer. Then Chennai Medical College, so Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister is M.K. Stalin, and Governor is R.N. Ravi. Then IMS BHU Varanasi, Varanasi, Varanasi. PM Modi ji, PM Modi ji win here in Lok Sabha election. PM Modi ji Kshetra, Varanasi. And top medical college was John Hopkins University of Medical Science. Total six medical college has been selected in top 100 medical college of the world. Then already asked in previous BPSC exam, total blue flag certified beach in India. That time it was 8. Now 2 new has been added. So right now there are 10 blue flag certified beach, sea beaches in India. 10. Latest are Eden Beach in Puducherry and Kovalam Beach in Tamil Nadu. Focus on these two names because these had been recently included. So now India has total of 10 blue flag certified beaches in India. Then rank of SBI in Forbes list of world's best bank 2021 in India category. In India, according to functioning, what are the best bank? India's rank, SBI rank. So SBI is 7 best managed bank in India. Best in working, DBS Bank. SBI chairman, very important because SBI is India's biggest bank. Dinesh Khara, Dinesh Kumar Khara. Dinesh Kumar Khara. Remember this name. Google it once. See his image. Dinesh Kumar Khara is the right now chairman of SBI. Then bank initiative, Power Salute initiative. Power Salute initiative is just a kind of defense salary package. Defense salary package, a type of account which will be opened by which bank? So answer of this is Axis Bank. Axis Bank is the answer. Okay. Next question is, then next question, sixth number question. Which country aims to send its first crewed Mars mission by 2033? 2033 tak. First crewed means humans will go to Mars. Which country is aiming for this? So China. China is aiming to send first crewed Mars mission by 2033. And one important question I have seen, China's national sport is table tennis. And right now China's president is Xi Jinping. Okay, and Power Salute Initiative, Axis Bank. Axis Bank has initiated Power Salute Initiative. Power Salute is a just a defense salary package account. Account will be opened into Power Salute Defense Salary Package. Banks offers different kind of salary account. So Axis Bank has offered Power Salute type of defense salary package to Indian Army. Axis Bank. Then One Ocean Summit in Feb 2022 happened in which country? So answer is France. France. In France, One Ocean Summit happened in 2022, Feb 2022, and PM Modi ji participated in it. Other question we have already discussed in previous videos. Compulsory electric vehicle charging port for newly constructed homes in France. Then Global Environment Conference 2021 happened in France. Recently did military exercise in space, codenamed Asterix. So France has did a military exercise in space, already discussed. Then some themes related question. Themes of World Asthma Day 2021. All are 2021. World Asthma Day theme was uncovering asthma misconception. World Cancer Day, I am and I will. World Health Day, building a fairer, healthier world for everyone. And World TB Day theme was the clock is ticking. Just look at it once. If you will look at it once, if this question will come in exam, then you can remember that I have read this option. World Asthma Day, uncovering asthma misconception. Cancer, I am and I will. World Health Day, building a fairer, healthier world for everyone. TB, tuberculosis, the clock is ticking. Then some question related to mineral resource. World's largest mineral resource, coal. Coal is large. China is the largest coal producer. Then very common or famous question, uranium, Kazakhstan. So just remember these two. We will discuss rest in others. Kazakhstan. One question related to Bihar. Highest producer in producing district of Mika, Nevada. Nevada, Mika. Already asked in previous BPSC prelims exams. Next question. Mineral resource we have seen coal in China, uranium in Kazakhstan. Rest we will discuss in later videos. Then next is this is quite slow. Leading rice producing state. So China is leading rice producing country. China produces maximum amount of rice. If we come to India, so in India, rice producing state, leader of rice production, Bengal. Bengal is also the leading producer of jute. So now focusing on rice. So maximum amount of rice producing state in India is Bengal, then UP, then Punjab. Okay. Then National Climate Vulnerability Assessment Report and Bihar. So this report has said that 60% of Bihar district is highly vulnerable district in the case of global warming. Global warming effect will be felt in 60%. 60% of Bihar district are highly vulnerable. Obvious thing, because Himalayan rivers flows through Bihar, especially in North Bihar region. If global warming will happen, then there will be flood and everything. So Bihar, Assam and Jharkhand all have 60% highly vulnerable district, and this report is generated by Ministry of Science and Tech. National Climate Vulnerability Assessment Report. 60% district of Bihar are highly vulnerable to global warming. Global warming, rise of temperature of Earth, mostly due to CO2, maximum amount of CO2. Then percentage of forest cover as per ISFR 2021. So in Bihar percentage is 7.84. In 2019 report it was 7.76. Now it has increased to 7.84. 7.76 data has been already asked. That was as per ISFR 2019. Latest report is 2021. This report comes biannually after 2 years. So latest report is 2021 report, and Bihar's forest cover is 7.84. There is a separate video, Forest of Bihar, very comprehensive video. Kindly watch that video under Bihar GK playlist. The next question, Best Female Playback Singer 2021 National Film Award winner of Best Female Playback Singer. So Savani Ravindra has won the Best Female Playback Singer for movie Bardo, Marathi language movie Bardo. Savani Ravindra has won the Best Female Playback Singer National Film Award 2021. Okay. Then India Then next question is Delhi related कि India's first electronic waste eco-friendly park, electronic waste eco-friendly park. That means park made by electronic waste. So that kind of park is going to be made in Delhi. Some other thing that we have already read relating to Delhi is Deshbhakti budget. Delhi government has proposed Deshbhakti budget. Okay, students will be teached Deshbhakti, taught Deshbhakti. Then startup capital. Delhi has become the startup capital as per Economic Survey 21-2022 by defeating Bangalore. So Delhi is now startup capital. Then business blasters program. Business blasters program. Students will be created into entrepreneur. In India there is very much discussion on entrepreneur. Don't be a job seeker, be a job giver, become an entrepreneur. So Delhi business blasters program, then entrepreneur mindset curriculum. Okay, curriculum based on entrepreneurship, business blasters program, startup capital, Deshbhakti budget, first electronic waste eco-friendly park, Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal. Then there is a program, C is a change maker. She is a change maker program by National Commission of Women. So National Commission of Women chairman has been already asked in previous BPSC prelims. Rekha Sharma. Rekha Sharma. So NCW has launched She is a change maker program. In this, what happened? कि female leader will be trained for their betterment. That means their entry in politics should increase for them, for their training purpose, vocational training and everything. There is a program, She is a change maker program. Okay, to increase the women participation in all level of administration. That means panchayat level, state level, then central level. So they will be trained in this program. She is a change maker program launched by National Commission for Women, chairman Rekha Sharma, always in news. Then NASSCOM has opened a center of excellence for Internet of Things and artificial intelligence. Internet of Things age, कि everything related to internet. Okay, Internet of Things. There was a very beautiful question of IoT in UPSC prelims previous. Artificial intelligence, we all know artificial intelligence. So in Visakhapatnam, NASSCOM has opened a center of excellence. Okay, these things will be promoted over there. Entrepreneur will go over there, they will discuss about their idea, then they will get funding and everything for Internet of Things and artificial intelligence. Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Also, we have already read in Visakhapatnam there was Slinex 2021 Sri Lanka and India Navy exercise. Then Boltzmann Prize, okay, repetition, won by Professor Deepak Dhar, statistical physicist. First time an Indian has won this award. Then some Bihar related question already discussed. Who laid the foundation stone of Kalughat intermodal terminal on National Waterway 1, Allahabad to Haldia in Saran, Bihar, on the banks of Ganga. Kalughat intermodal terminal. So intermodal terminal means कि transportation will be done by different mode. It's not like if you transportation is being done by truck, then whole journey will be covered by truck. Then there may be first train journey, then truck journey, then everything. Those kind of terminal are called intermodal terminal. Then multimodal terminal means those terminal who are connected to all the ways, airplane, railway and ship and everything, and whole transportation will be done in single mode. If we are going to transport a commodity from place A to B via airplane, then via airplane it will go to A to B. Okay, not other mode. Okay, so India, those things are covered in PM Gati Shakti program. These kind of terminal, okay, for infrastructure purpose and transportation purpose. India's first multimodal terminal is being created in Jogighopa, Assam. Very important question. Jogighopa, Assam. India's first multimodal. And Bihar's intermodal terminal in Saran, Bihar, and it was inaugurated by Sarvanda Sonowal. Sarvanda Sonowal, ex-chief minister of Assam, and right now he is the minister of ports, shipping and waterways. That's why National Waterway 1, Allahabad to Haldia. So kindly understand the difference. If you have any confusion, kindly Google search difference between intermodal terminal and multimodal terminal. and this is very important. India's first multimodal terminal where? In Assam, Jogighopa. Jogighopa is the place, Assam. Okay, Chief Minister of Assam is also important, Himanta Biswa Sarma. Then Bihar first state level virtual postage stamp exhibition. Postal stamp exhibition in virtual mode. Name of that exhibition was Bihar Digipex. Digipex 2022. So this name is important. Digipex, digital postage exhibition. Digital postage, P से postage, E से EX से exhibition. Okay. Then similar type of question. Bihar first state bird festival name Kalrav. Very famous Nagi Nakti bird sanctuary in Jamui. Okay, name was Kalrav. Then infant mortality rate of Bihar right now is 38. Total number of district 38. Also infant mortality rate 38. This is wrongly written here. Second tiger reserve of Bihar is going to be created in Kaimur district. Already a tiger park is in Valmiki National Park, West Champaran. Second will be created in Kaimur. Headquarter of Kaimur is Bhabua. Next, some question related to Kaimur district. Largest wildlife sanctuary of Bihar. Obvious, Kaimur Wildlife Sanctuary is largest wildlife sanctuary of Bihar, and also Kaimur area wise largest district in forest area. Kaimur is very important. Son river passes through this Kaimur Wildlife Sanctuary. Anupam Lake is also there. Karkat plus Telhar waterfall is in Kaimur. We are just revising all these data. We have already seen these in previous videos. And also in Kaimur, एक किसान संगोष्ठी happened on the occasion of आजादी का अमृत महोत्सव. These are all the facts related to Kaimur. Then मुख्यमंत्री बालिका पोशाक योजना revision rupees 1500. Then Bihar per month stipend. These are all discussed already. Okay, next question. Okay, these are the new questions. कि बिहार नेचर सफारी, जू सफारी, स्पोर्ट्स यूनिवर्सिटी एंड ग्रीन सिटी all are Rajgir. In Rajgir there will be nature safari, zoo safari, sports university, Nalanda sports university. Okay, Nalanda is the home district of our Chief Minister Nitish Kumar. So there are these many projects over there. Green city in Bihar, there will be 2 green city will be created. One in Rajgir, one in Bodh Gaya. That's why there is in bracket plus Bodh Gaya. 2 green city, Rajgir plus Bodh Gaya. And there is a boat safari. Boat safari is going to be opened in Triveni Canal, West Champaran. Okay. Triveni Canal, West Champaran. Then latest star to become Khadi brand ambassador in Bihar. So answer is Manoj Tiwari. Member of Parliament, singer, actor. Jiya ho Bihar ke lala. Manoj Tiwari has become the latest star to become Khadi brand ambassador. Already Pankaj Tripathi was the brand ambassador. Now Manoj Tiwari has been roped in. Then brand ambassador of Bihar anti-drugs campaign, the bicycle girl, Jyoti Kumari. Jyoti Kumari, in Corona time she became famous, Jyoti Kumari, because she took her father and she rode from Delhi to Darbhanga. The bicycle girl, Jyoti Kumari. Jyoti Kumari has been made brand ambassador of Bihar anti-drugs campaign. In Bihar there is total prohibition. So Bihar anti-drugs campaign, Jyoti Kumari, brand ambassador. She will go to different school and college and take lecture ki don't do drugs and don't drink and everything. Jyoti Kumari. Then special economic zone already discussed. SAGE Act 2005. Main objective is export promotion. Next is national manufacturing policy. There was a national manufacturing policy in 2011. National manufacturing policy 2011. In this, what will objective is industrial growth with state participation. In this, a area will be created for manufacturing process. Okay, with the help of state. Okay, manufacturing zone will be created. National investment and manufacturing zone will be created in different state. National make manufacturing easy, cheaper manufacturing. Okay. Three has got the final approval. One in Andhra Pradesh, one in Telangana, one in Odisha. This question has been asked: in which state India's first national investment and manufacturing zone has been created? UPSC prelims question. In Andhra Pradesh, India's first investment and manufacturing zone has been created, and these are all covered under National Manufacturing Policy 2011. Okay. Then some question related to Bihar. One time financial assistance for Nira production. No drink. Just drink Nira coconut water will be sold throughout Bihar. Nira, that is called Nira. So one time financial assistant, 1 lakh financial assistance will be given by Nitish Sarkar for Nira production. Now Nira will be sold commercially in whole Bihar. Rupees 1 lakh financial assistance. Then there is a scheme, Mukhyamantri Yuva Udyami scheme for SC, ST women and extremely backward classes. In this, what will happen? For business setup, maximum of 10 lakhs will be given for your business, and 5 lakhs will be interest free, and rest will have nominal interest and just pay it back in 7 years. Okay, so this data is important. 10 lakh in Mukhyamantri Yuva Udyami scheme, and for Nira production 1 lakhs will be given, and for Mukhyamantri Yuva Udyami scheme budget allocation of 102 crore has been done for Mukhyamantri Yuva Udyami scheme. Maximum loan of 10 lakhs. In that 5 lakhs will be interest free and rest will be nominal interest. Okay, and this will be given to SC, ST entrepreneur, female entrepreneur and extremely backward classes entrepreneur. So that's all. We will meet in next video. And very importantly, you can download the content used in this video by with my Telegram ID RaviCaf902. That's all. Thanks. Bye bye and take care.